Hey everyone, this is Mrs. Klosky, and I would like to demonstrate the Connect 4 game for you, which is one of your two options for your last program in Honors Computer Programming. This is a game where you're trying to connect 4 adjacent circles with the same color. So you can, in this model, you would play against another player. Or if you want to go extravaganza mode, you can have the computer play smartly against you. So the idea here is, because my title is red, the red player goes first, and you can click any column. And so I'm just going to click this first column. And so a red checker has fallen all the way down here into the first location, or the bottom left location. Turns out I can click in any column. Now it's the blue's turn, and now it's the red's turn, and I can continue just playing. And the idea would be to get 4 in a row. Just kind of go out here and just keep clicking. And we'll see how this goes. I'm just kind of being random right now. Okay, and now I'll win. So red won. And that's basically the functionality that you need in this game. I would also like you, I'm going to play this again. In my version, I just haven't done the last step of having a reset button, but after one player wins, I'll have the blue player win. After one player wins, you should have a way to start the game again. All right.